Introducing our next speaker, Sojung Lee, who is an experienced senior executive with a proven capability in building and leading high-impact teams. Her background includes 15 plus years of experience in the enterprise IT and the services industry across the Asia-Pacific region. Before Sojung joined TeamViewer, she worked for SolarWinds as Vice President of Asia-Pacific and Japan Sales, where she evolved disruptive strategies for growing the business across segments, defining sales strategies, and driving partner growth. I would like to welcome Sojung Lee on stage. She will be speaking about the reality redefined, leaping into the industrial metaverse. Very interesting topic. Welcome on stage, Sojung Lee.
So at first glance, you may think why TeamViewer is talking about industrial metaverse. You might know us as a solution provider for remote IT support. However, allow me to unveil the truth that TeamViewer has undergone significant transformation far beyond remote IT support. And now we have evolved as a leading solution provider for industry augmented reality solution. As we speak, TeamViewer is helping our customers to digitalize industrial processes, seamlessly adding cutting-edge technologies, and also driving evolution of industrial metaverse. So let me take your journey to explain what industry metaverse is all about and what TeamViewer has to do with it and its great potential for industrial businesses. So let me start with differentiating between two types of metaverse, starting from consumer metaverse. From technical standpoint, metaverse itself is not technology. It is rather conceptual framework, combining existing and latest technology. Metaverse is built upon 5G, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, Internet of Things, AI, and blockchain. And these technologies converge together to build very cohesive and dynamic digital ecosystem when people interact, engage, and create in a virtual space, presenting opportunity for gaming, commerce, or beyond. In contrast, the metaverse, which is tailored to the industry sector, is called industrial metaverse. It is holistic digitalization of the shop floor between human and machine, using same technical framework to revolutionize industrial workflow and processes. In industrial metaverse, the focus has shifted from consumer experience to industrial applications such as manufacturing, logistics, or training or maintenance. With industrial metaverse, company can optimize processes, improve productivity, enhance safety, reduce downtime, and also unlock new level of innovation. What you just saw was our first native Apple Vision Pro app we call TeamViewer Special. The use case is after sales export remote services. As you know, Apple Vision Pro is their latest mixed reality headset. And we're so proud that we're one of the first partners that we launched this app together with Apple. Well, but maybe Apple Vision Pro could be a little bit visionary for enterprise and a lot of industry customers. But there are a lot of devices already out there to create value to customers. There's smart glasses, there's wearable scanners, Regi tablets. With combined camera and voice control, it creates completely hands-free environment, which is ergonomical and also efficient. This is not science fiction. This is already happening at work. Why is it so big deal? Because industrial processes, such as in manufacturing, always will be anchored in real world because it touches real world objects. Augmented reality allows for seamless overlay of digital information on the physical world, which means in shop floor, now workers have a real-time data, real-time access to the very important data, such as assembly instructions or machines parameters or quality assurance or maintenance guideline right in front of their eyes to help them to perform their tasks more effectively and efficiently. Based on the McKinsey data, 80% of global workforce, roughly 2.7 billion people, are frontline workers. They're not like you and I. They're working in deskless job environment. Enhancing them with the digital tools and then bring them to back-end system, there's huge potential to improve productivity gain. And in Asia Pacific, we have the largest general manufacturing industry, which accounts over 43% of global market, which is even higher potential for the adoption. Well, at the end of the day, it is high-performance software is the key to unlock this full potential of industrial metaverse. And augmented reality brings new dimension, information accessibility, and also collaboration to the shop floor. Its ability to overlay digital information on the physical world, provide this hands-free guideline, and also enable remote assistant, make it such powerful tool for industry players to really revolutionize their shop floor environment, especially when it comes to reduce error rate and improve performances. We have a lot of use cases, but in Singapore, we have formed strategic partnership with Hyundai Motor Group to digitalize their smart factory manufacturing processes with our enterprise augmented reality solutions. So Hyundai Motor Group, they have built a smart factory here in Singapore, interconnects machines, robots, people, and logistics. Hyundai create full digital twin of their factory, which connects all systems. The entire factory is 5G equipped to facilitate real-time data exchange. And moreover, their warehouses with these vehicle parts is fully automated and AI-driven. And we are very proud. They deploy our augmented reality workflow solution in their assembly line. So in assembly line, their engineers, they're wearing smart glasses paired with our solution to get step-by-step guidance of assembly instruction. Normally they have a 16 to 18 step. And if you think about Singapore, there's not only Singaporean, Koreans, Malay, Indian, in their language, they're getting information. And all those assembly procedure is automatically documented for quality assurance and audit perspective. Clearly reduce the training time, bridge the knowledge gap, and improve accuracies. This is a great example for industry metaverse in action. The other example is Ford Motors. Ford Motor has more than 3,000 dealerships in the United States, 7,500 worldwide. One of their biggest challenge, like any other industry, is a skilled worker shortage. Experts retiring, aging population, very less workforce, especially in engineers, mechanics coming into the job market. So when Novik technician in remote area trying to fix customer's vehicle, if they don't know how to fix, previously they asked experts at the headquarters to travel back. Not anymore. They're using smart glasses paired with our solution. Now they can invite experts at headquarters via stream live video call, getting step-by-step guidance via 3D marker or annotation or voice on text. They can perform repairing customer vehicle faster, which of course improve customer satisfaction. I also want to share one more use case, which is very recent partnership in healthcare industry. Well, frontline workers is not just in manufacturing field, it's a field service agent as well. We are very proud that we are partnering with Uniting Care in Australia. Uniting Care is the biggest healthcare provider for elderly, senior care. And now Uniting Care, they are clinical nurses in very remote medical facility. They're wearing smart glasses paired with our solution, invite not only general practitioner, specialists, nutritionists to provide real-time, more accurate diagnosis on those seniors. Result was amazing. Less than 2 months of deployment, they were able to reduce 750 hours of travels, also avoid 9 hospital admissions. I'm not talking about reducing healthcare costs, saving lives. As you have seen through those examples, TeamViewer, we are harnessing the power of augmented reality to help our customers to make use of industrial metaverse. From logistics to manufacturing, from maintenance training to field service, we are enabling industry players to achieve new level of innovations. As I mentioned in the beginning, we are not just solution provider for remote IT support. We connect people and machine and processing with real-time data to improve efficiencies and avoid unnecessary troubles. Again, TeamViewer, we provide connectivity platform. Sustainability been always our DNA since day one. And just last year, together with our end users and our customers, we were able to avoid 41 megatons of carbon emission. Do you know what is 41 megatons of carbon emissions? It is roughly 42,000 round trip between Tokyo to Japan, just using TeamViewer. I hope my talk and some of the examples that I present inspire you to try maybe new use cases of industrial metaverse. We are committed to continue our journey by working closely together to continue to drive innovation and also build more sustainable and smart world together. Thanks for having me, and then wish you have great the rest of conference. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, yes. Thank you, Seo-Jung Lee, for that fascinating insight into the industrial metaverse and the use cases from TeamViewer. Let's give her a warm round of applause.